raised, period. Bingo.
He will destroy your Social Security. He will destroy your protections for pre-existing conditions.
I'm proud of the Affordable Care Act. In addition to helping people with pre-existing conditions, this is a law that delivered vital coverage for 20 million Americans who did not have health insurance.
Joe Biden's plan is not a solution to the virus, but rather it's a surrender to the virus.
In March, I set forth a detailed plan for 500 federally funded testing sites across the country, as well as guaranteed emergency paid leave. In April, I released a plan to secure the supply chain for personal protective equipment. In May, I condemned the false choice between preserving public health and our economy. This month, I outlined a path to reopen our country safely and sustainably.
He will totally destroy Social Security, and in my opinion, if you look at what he's going to do to Medicare, they will destroy Social Security.
Social Security is a sacred obligation. If I'm your president, we're going to protect Social Security and Medicare. You have my word.
No one will be safe in Biden's America.
I find it fascinating. Quote, "You won't be safe in Joe Biden's America." And what's their proof? The violence we're seeing in Donald Trump's America. Donald Trump looks at this violence and he sees a political lifeline.
Make no mistake, if you give power to Joe Biden, the radical left will defund police departments.
No, I don't support defunding the police. I support conditioning federal aid to police based on whether or not they meet certain basic standards of decency and honorableness.
Joe Biden is not a savior of America's soul. He is the destroyer of America's jobs.
My plan is to build back better. It's bold, it's practical, and it's focused on building an economy for the future, not for the past.
He has pledged a $4 trillion tax hike on almost all American families, which will totally collapse our rapidly improving economy.
Nobody making under $400,000 should have their taxes raised, period. Bingo.